Hey y'all! Welcome to West Texas 3D Printing, tutorials curated by nerds, delivered by your favorite narrator, Lulu. Model orientation is one of the most important choices in 3D printing. It affects strength, surface quality, supports, warping, and how clean the final part looks. Changing orientation often improves a print more than changing any slicer setting. Let's go through the core principles and how to choose the best orientation for any model. First, understand layer direction. 3D prints are strongest along the width of each layer and weakest between layers. Layer lines act like wood grain. If force pulls across the layers, the part is strong. If force pulls between layers, the part can snap easily. Orientation directly controls this. For example, if you print a long bracket lying flat, the layers run along the length of the part, giving strong tensile strength. Print that same bracket standing upright and stress pulls between layers. The part becomes much weaker. Orientation decides where your strength lives. Next, surface quality. Flat surfaces printed on the bed usually look the cleanest. Vertical surfaces may show seams. Slanted surfaces can show stepping. Steep overhangs may look rough or droopy. If you want a beautiful top surface, orient that face upward. If you want a flawless bottom, place it on the build plate. Now seams. Every print has at least one seam. Orientation lets you hide it. Slightly rotating a model can move the seam to a backside or less visible area. Flat edges often produce cleaner, straighter seams. If a model has a hero face or display side, orient it so the seam appears somewhere else. Next, supports. Orientation controls how many supports are needed. Fewer supports mean cleaner prints, faster prints, and less post-processing. Rotate models so steep overhangs become gradual slopes. Angle parts, so internal cavities need fewer supports. Always try to reduce support contact on visible surfaces. Now bridging. Bridges print better when aligned with airflow and cooling. Small rotations can dramatically improve bridge quality. Next, warping. Large flat surfaces on the bed are more likely to warp. If a part warps repeatedly, rotate it so the footprint is smaller, or the large face becomes vertical. This is especially important for PETG, ABS, and ASA. Now stability. Tall, thin parts printed upright can wobble, vibrate, or fall over. If stability is a concern, lay the model down or angle it to create a wider base. Next, functional parts. For brackets, hooks, and mechanical parts, orientation determines failure mode. If the part must resist pulling forces, orient it so layers run parallel to the force. If it must resist bending, stack layers to oppose bending. A weak orientation may fail instantly. A strong orientation can hold many times more weight. Now aesthetics. Sculptures and figurines often look best when printed at a slight angle. This reduces seam visibility and smooths surface transitions. For faces, rotate the head so the seam lands on the back of the skull. For bodies, angle the torso to minimize stepping on the chest or shoulders. Now a practical orientation checklist. If strength matters most, align layers parallel to the force. If surface quality matters most, place the best-looking side upward or against the plate. If supports need to be minimized, rotate the model to reduce overhangs. If warping is an issue, reduce bed contact area or reorient large planes. If seams are distracting, rotate the model until the seam is hidden. If the model is tall and unstable, lay it down or tilt it. If internal cavities cause support problems, angle the model so gravity works in your favor. Here's a pro tip. The best orientation is often not 0 or 90 degrees. It's usually somewhere between 10 and 45 degrees. Small rotations can dramatically reduce supports and improve surface finish. Always use slicing preview. Rotate the model, slice it, and inspect layer direction, seam placement, supports, and overhangs. Compare 2 or 3 orientations before printing. Orientation is one of the most powerful tools you have. It decides strength, beauty, speed, and success before the print even starts. Thanks for watching from all of us at West Texas 3D Printing. Yes, even me, Lulu. Like, subscribe, and keep turning chaos into clarity.